Hi there! Starting with a fresh, clean face, I'm applying a couple of drops of facial oil. This provides the perfect slippery surface for our sesh. I've always been told that the gua sha tool should be kept in the fridge for a cooling effect, but I just found out yesterday from a Chinese gua sha medical practitioner, La Xin, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, that you should keep it warm before using it. I know, I'm completely mind blown. So wash your gua sha with warm water and soap before and after using it. We are repeating each step 5 times to keep it simple. Use this heart-shaped part right here, and we are starting with our shoulders. I choose to go up because I want to work against gravity for anti-aging purposes. If you feel better going down for some reason on this one, it's fine. Just hold your skin for support so you don't drag your skin downwards. Apply a slight pressure and go slowly upwards like this. You want to wiggle at the end for some tension relief. Moving to the front side of our neck, place your gua sha above your collarbone and slide it up to your jawline. Be aware that your skin can get a little red during this sesh, and it's fine because the blood is flowing. But it should never hurt or leave red marks on your skin for more than 10 minutes. If it does, you might have overdone it with the pressure. Body gua sha is completely different. It should be red, but not on the face. Now, using this part, let's work on the jawline. Hold your chin for support like this and slide your tool from your chin to below your ears, with the tool laying flat against your skin, even more flat than I did in the video. I didn't have a mirror, so it was kind of hard to see what I was doing. The tool should always be flat against your face. Keep those 2 fingers on your chin. Using the flat side of the gua sha tool, you want to drag the tool upwards towards your ears. This part relaxes my jaws so much and I love it. Try not to clench your jaws while doing this. Now, let's depuff those cheeks. Press lightly on your smile line for support and glide your tool with the flat side up to your ears. Then the nose. Place your fingers on the opposite side to what you were working with and use the edge of the tool to slide it up slowly until you meet the brow bone. Be extra gentle with the next step. Place your fingers by the side of your nose, then slide the tool upwards like this. Be very gentle around your eye area because it's very, very sensitive. Wiggling the tool on top, specifically on this part, can relieve headaches. Time to snatch the brow bone. Put 2 fingers on the center like so, and glide your tool following your brow bone, then up to your temples. You can just feel your whole face relaxing at this point, slowly but surely. Keep your 2 fingers where they are and go directly into the next step, and that is your forehead. After 5 swipes, move to the center and do the same thing. I'm going to stay quiet for the other side so that it doesn't become repetitive and let you have a moment for yourself. I'll be back at the end of this to finish off our jawline. Now let's snatch that jawline a little bit extra. Place your fingers on your chin, place your tool flat against your skin, and drag it upwards towards your ears and continue down the neck. After 5 swipes, repeat on the other side. Nice job, you are done. I hope you are feeling more relaxed. Take a deep breath, stretch it out, and have a magical day. See you in my next one.